Well, here's a look at the eMini S&P for Tuesday, February the 2nd, 2010. I always like to start here with, we're looking at the market profiles here. And in case you haven't seen this video before, here is today's market profile with the volume profile, and this was yesterday. The one in the middle is what occurred overnight. So we had a relatively weak up move yesterday that we were somewhat suspect of. Although we knew that if the market could hold above approximately the 78 area, then it's was probably going to go up to around the 89 area. And then the next resistance was, of course, the 93, and then up around 1100. So it hit those areas. You can see, we'll take a closer look at this, but you can see that the 78 obviously held, never got down to there overnight. It dipped to around 84, 83 and change in the first hour. Hit that first barrier on 93 in the first hour and got up to around 1100 or so, 1101 and change for the high for today. So this is a pretty good barrier that we're looking at right now. And if the market can hold above that 1101 area for a while tomorrow, that's going to be a rather bullish development, and we'd much prefer to be on the long side if it can hold above 01. If it stays below 1100, we're still actually on the bearish side. So that's really how we're looking at it going into today and again for tomorrow. We also like to use these market profiles as well. This is the market profiles for and their corresponding volume profiles for the day session only. Here's our software here. We tried to get long early on this pullback here. It didn't quite come low enough, so we did get long later here. It did reach our first and second objective, and that was really the only trade we had. We had another indication to get long up towards the resistance area in here, but we did not take that trade. It was triggered right in here, but we did not take that trade. So we actually only had one trade today. Unfortunately, we missed this first one down here, which would have been our first trade, but it didn't quite pull back enough. That 85 area did act as support, and that was another area that we were looking at going into the overnight session and monitoring it today for possible support. So some of our traders who've been with us a bit longer and really following this auction cycle as we do, and a corresponding reference support and resistance areas that are set up, we go ahead and or they're able to go ahead and actually identify some of these trades that offer some really optimal trade entry location, so that are not part of our system trade. So anyway, that's really it for today. So that barrier up there where the yellow is really a over under, in the sense that if it stays below, it remains bearish. If it can get up above there, that'll be bullish. So that's really an important area going into tomorrow, with support down around our entry that we attempted to get around the 90-91 area as support. So that's another thing that we will look at as far as support goes down in here. So that's a quick look at the market through the eyes of eMiniDayTrader. Any questions or comments, we'd love to hear from you. You can reach us at info@eMiniDayTrader.com or give us a call. Our number's on the website. Look forward to hearing from you. Thanks for taking the time to view the video, and we'll see you again tomorrow.